So, as I've been saying recently in my Facebook Lives, with communication issues, if your child has any kind of communication issue, it could be something quite small that affects them quite a lot, or it could be something quite big. But as with communication issues, if a child is struggling, they don't know they're struggling and they present that difficulty in often an inappropriate way. Some people call it challenging behaviour. Some people call it being naughty. Some people call it being stubborn. Whatever you call it, that is when a child is feeling dysregulated and they can't communicate it to you. It could be that they can't communicate it to themselves. But this happens, by the way, in children and adults. But very similarly, when a child has sensory processing difficulties, it shows in the same sort of way. Yes, of course, there are differences, but what I mean is they can often be inappropriate. They can often be challenging. And lots of other negative words that people like to describe our children with. I don't like doing it. But basically, they're a nuisance to the adult that's with them. That's what it comes down to.